y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, it seems like, dog. It's been a minute, but today I am back with another video. The homie Mario, my rich friend Mario, is allowing us to do a POV in his Acura NSX. The new joint, not the old school. Can't believe I have friends that trust me to drive their cars that cost more than my life. But hey, love to see it. Love to see it. It's POV time, baby. I'm excited. I'm so excited, dog. Before this video continues, I want to give a huge thank you to today's sponsor, JBtuned Racing. Now, if you're new here, hopefully I'm gonna put you onto something where your pockets will thank you, okay? But if you've been a long time subscriber to the channel, then you guys will know I'm no stranger to JSP. JSP sounds cool, so it like sounds kind of like OG. You feel me? Like, bro, where'd you get that manifold from, big dog?
I got it from JSP Racing, bro.
What?
Yeah, dog. JSP Racing, big. Link down below to the goddamn website you in.
JBtuned specialize in pretty much everything. Like anything you might need, they got for the low. You feel me? Depending on what your budget is, they got you. He actually sent me this center feed Gallifol, but unfortunately I won't be able to use it due to just turbo my car, and I'm gonna end up probably running his side feed one anyway. I'm not gonna run the center feed, so this is just a nice piece. I might end up doing a giveaway on this. So if you want me to do a giveaway, let me know, comment down below, leave a like on the video. Who doesn't like free shit? Huge thank you to JSP for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to click the link down in the description box below to check out that center feed in case you wanna buy it yourself. He got turbo kits. Anything you may need, he have. I'm running his turbo on my Integra right now, and I made 550 horsepower. Don't forget to click the first link down in the description box below. Now back to the video.
On.
Oh, sorry. Oh, shit.
We fucked you up, bro.
For real. Okay, you got all this right here. Okay. Okay, dog. Had a harken over. I got her.
Now, if you want to leave it to stay running.
Holy.
But it does have a track mode, so if you hold it, it'll go to track mode.
Oh shit. My rich friend Mario, dog. Oh dog, this sounds so good. to stretch this her up and stretch her legs out, boy. See what the old girl can do. When you flew past me coming home from the show, bro, that shit felt like a tunnel, dog. I was like, whoa. Cause I didn't know you were going, like, I didn't know until I heard like a noise. I look over, pew, I'm like, God damn.
Yeah, I was definitely a little bit horny.
It's not. It's quiet. Yeah, it's quiet.
It's comfort zone with us.
Like, you don't even feel like you're in a damn supercar, bro. No. Like, you're just chilling, like it floats.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I drive this shit to Orlando all the time. Just...
No problems, bro.
No problem.
This shit's smooth. Oh man. You don't even feel it.
Honda definitely did their thing with this.
Facts. Shit feels so good.
I would like to do like what you do on, you know, with yours. You know, actually bring it on the track.
Yeah, and track it. Yeah, these cars are fucking beasts.
Yeah, tape up the bumper really good, I guess.
Yeah. You don't even feel like you're going fast.
Nah,
like you don't feel it. Like I didn't know I was going when I just went. I didn't even feel it. That's crazy. In my car, I'd be scared to go fast. I don't know why. But this is, bro, this shit's smooth, dog. I need to be rich, bro. Put me on, Mario, dog. Put me on, bro. God damn.
No days off.
That's it.
That's it.
No days off, bro. They're gonna write about Mario in the history books. Watch.
Yeah, we definitely gotta come back here one of these nights.
For real.
Put in a track one and you can feel
the cornering and stuff. Yeah.
If I ever sell this, I feel sorry for whoever buys it. I beat the piss out of it.
She gonna be beat, bruh. How many miles you have on it? Oh, 25,000. You just hit 25,000 too.
Yeah, I got it with 18.
Oh yeah, Mario been driving this, bro. That's good though. People buy it and just have it in their garage. Yeah.
Don't drive it.
Buy it and don't even drive it. That shit just wasting money, dog.
I'm gonna enjoy every cent of it.
Yep.
That's like preserving your girl for the next guy.
Yeah. Yeah, I ain't gonna really put no miles on just in case the next owner might want it. You feel me?
Yeah, exactly.
Damn, I wanted to hit her onto the corner. Too. Damn, that shit so really planted around the corners. Wow. What's the fastest you been in it?
160 or something like that.
Holy nigga, where?
95.
Holy shit! You had to be late at night.
Yeah, it was like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Damn!
I came on the highway around like Becker. And open that shit.
Holy shit!
That was when I just got in the car. I was out doing pools with it.
Fucking Mario. Are good.
You look like you wanted to come over.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I gave you all the power. Now you got all the power.
Holy shit. Dog, what?
When you put it in track mode, it just say NSX, and that's it.
Dog, that's it. Holy shit. Yeah, that is, bruh. There's 2 spots?
Yeah, like when you...
I don't think I wasn't flooring it.
Yeah, I was like, you ain't flooring it.
Fuck.
There's like a little... You tap it, but then you can press it harder. There's like 2
shit.
spots in the pedal.
God damn. I ain't gonna get no over like that either, bruh. Yeah. No, I'm Florida there. That shit is dark. Well, it's nice though. I like it.
You need it though to protect the dash. You definitely need a windshield when it's protect the dash.
Really? It'll start cracking and stuff?
I seen one at the auction where all of this started like melting. It was like,
Oh, damn.
so yeah,
Your windshield's,
tinted.
it is it?
Yeah, it's tinted.
Damn. Ceramic tinted? Yeah. That makes sense. That shit sound like that sounds so good.